Hello everyone, welcome back. We have an interesting one today. We have a 2021 Tesla Model 3 standard range with some really nice, tasteful modifications. We have the owner next to us, Spencer, and we can go through all the mod lists. So first off, we have a really nice pink color wrap on the car. The car is originally white, but we have really nice iridescent blue and purple matte gray color finish on this vehicle. Finished with TSW 20-inch wheels wrapped in nitro fitted tires. It's 20 inches front and rear. On the back we have a carbon fiber lip spoiler. Making our way onto this side. Wrap goes all the way around. Does not get the door handles though. We have our front wrapped without the Tesla logo wrapped in it, and that's about it for the wrap. We have a glass roof, so that wasn't touched during the wrap process. As far as trunk space goes, we have a front and a trunk. And on this car we have a subwoofer in the back, JBL subwoofer. Little storage compartment right here. What's per tire in this car? Power trunk, so it just pops right down. And we're gonna open the front. Front is openable through the car infotainment or through the app. So not as deep as the trunk would be, but we have some space in here for maybe a backpack or so. To close the trunk, put our palm on it and push it down till it clicks. I think I got it. Yeah, that's flush. On the inside, car is wrapped, but we do have the white showing over here in the front. The car was a white on white spec. On the inside, we do have some mods as well. Put the window down. On this vehicle, we have ambient lighting strips. This was aftermarket that Spencer did himself. As far as that, we have the quilted leather inserts on the carpets, which is very nice. Lives up the interior a little bit. White seats, and do have armrest that comes down with cup holders. Leather is very plush, very soft. Door card, we have pockets on both sides, and on our door handle has a button on it to open the door back up. The door card itself, speaker, and a little bit of cubby right here for some storage. It does transfer over to the front with the same door card. Over here in the front seat, we have our window switch controls. Fronts are power, that rear is for touch and hold. Have the seat inside. The leather wrap steering wheel. This is aftermarket as well. The big screen and infotainment. We have Alcantara touch points here in the center. It didn't come with Alcantara, did it?
No.
Did not. So only this is aftermarket. And the doors have Alcantara, but not on the center ear. This is normally a piano black in the center, so good choice here. We have a Tesla embossed armrest on the center console right here, wrapped in nice white leather to match the seats. And on the inside we also have our switch to control the ambient lighting. Door card is the same. We do have the Alcantara here. That's from the factory. All right, really nice overview of the vehicle. We're going to quick drive, and then we're going to have some dinner. But first, let's go on a. There's a lot.
Too enough.
Go on a quick drive. Oh. a lot of modes in this vehicle, from what I remember. You can go through and look at your pedals and steering. You have standard acceleration, chill, comfort, standard, sport, and your stopping modes here. We're going to go in comfort for now and keep the acceleration on standard. So you do have to put your foot on the gas to get off the line. There's no torque, so the car's not going to lurch forward at all for you. Is it automatic stuff? Oh yeah.
Yeah, you don't have to hit the brake, you just let off the gas.
We have our digital speedo in the center. We have the lighting wrapped around, so it's very nice. The reason why I wanted to do this drive at nighttime was to really show off the lighting situation that we have back here. Yeah. So are we able to turn that off?
We have to go and park.
Oh, go and park and turn it off. Got it. Okay. We'll just roll with it for now. So it's very comfy. You really don't hear anything. I can hear myself think in this vehicle. But otherwise, it's very comfortable. And it's quite quick. Even though it's the standard range base model, not the performance or the extended range. From what I understand, with these newer models, there are better access to quick chargers and fast chargers, I believe. So you can literally charge a Tesla for like $2, right? Yeah. The leather wrap on the steering wheel feels super nice. I believe the base steering wheel has the regular faux wrapped wheel. From the factory, these cars don't come with the best interiors, but with a little bit of modifications, you can make it feel really nice. And it...
Give it some gas.
Yeah, and it gets up and goes a little bit. No waiting for your engine to rev up, no turbos to spool, just immediate power.
So if you want, you can go on, you can forward if you want.
Yeah. It is nighttime right now, and there are some police out, so I do want to stay cautious. On the highway, it's very smooth. Road noise is minimal, but there are some instances where you can actually hear more tire noise if your rims are too big. But on this vehicle in the 20 inches, it's not too bad. I think the base model gets 17s. It's even quieter in there. So if you want to keep cabin noise minimal, stick with the base wheel sizes.
Try Autopilot?
Autopilot, yeah.
2 clicks down on that, all the way down.
So activate the Autopilot. Basically a glorified cruise control, essentially. So it keeps the distance between you and the car in front of you. Oh, hello, we have a friend up there. State trooper.
Whenever you want to deactivate, you go 1 click all the way up.
one click all the way up, we can deactivate, go back into regular driving. Autopilot's really intuitive for the work. You can easily set your cruise speeds and distance from the car in front of you. This car is not option with the self-driving. That one's a bit more extreme, but we're able to unwind the Tesla a little bit, get on some nicer roads to see how the steering is like. We're able to change the settings, pedals and steering. Acceleration standard is good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Going to sport. Let's see. Steering is very direct. The power is so instant, it's so trippy to feel and think about when you've just driven gas-powered cars for the longest. But it's not bad. It's really good at engaging the driver and trying to get it to move a certain place. It's not numb. It's not Porsche steering, but it definitely feels good. Oh my god, that power! Oh, it's so weird to feel, so weird to think about. Do you have any complaints about this car at all?
Not really, no. I really don't, to be honest.
Anything you wish you did better?
Just a little bit less simple in the interior.
Less simple,
Yeah.
a bit more complexity or character behind it.
Yeah. But overall,
Yeah,
no
because you
complaints.
have this big iPad in the middle of the.
You definitely get used to it with time. You definitely get used to it.
Try doing quick launch and see how it goes. Oh boy. Oh. Oh. 0 to 60 is in like the below 4 seconds, right? 3.9?
For the long range, this one's about 4.3.
4.3,
yeah.
okay. But still, it's no slouch. It's really quick. The performance is
Performance is, I believe, 3.1.
3.1. Dude, that's crazy. New Model S Plaid is around that 2
Close to
point, or
3.
1.9 claimed with the tire tread. This auto braking is a little trippy to get used to.
Once you get used to it, though, it's so hard to go back.
Yeah, it is. And you had a Mustang before this,
I had
right?
a Mustang, yeah.
How was the transition from driving a Mustang to...
It takes a little bit of getting used to. No engine noise, no exhaust noise.
Yeah, no engine,
But
no exhaust.
now you just hear the sound of electricity going to a motor, and that itself is its own amazing noise. The instant torque is way better than a gas car.
Yeah.
Once you learn how to one pedal drive, it's so hard to go back.
Yeah. I have barely used the brake even to that little windy section. Didn't use the brake at all. So I think we're a good spot to do a conclusion. Can you show the ambient lighting changing colors by chance? So with one of the mods, we're able to change the ambient lighting through a switch or through an app in sort of blue. Is this your favorite to be in?
Blue, like the pink.
Pink, yeah. Ooh, the red is nice. Well, guys, I thought that would be super fun to bring on this Tesla Model 3 on the channel. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we're able to do a comparison between a newer Model 3 and an older Model 3 eventually, but this is really fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't have to look at my blind spots, the camera right here. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next one.